subscribed yet, haven't you? Just my luck, you quacky duck. What's our topic for today, I wonder? We will talk about different professions. Me and my mummy will also read them in English and Tagalog. Teacher,
Guro,
doctor,
doktor,
nurse,
nurse,
farmer,
magsasaka,
police officer,
police,
firefighter,
bumbero,
chef,
kusinero for male, kusinera for female,
engineer,
ingeniero for male, ingeniera for female,
astronaut,
astronaut,
pilot,
piloto,
singer,
mang-aawit,
dentist,
dentista,
carpenter,
karpintero,
tailor,
mananahi,
architect,
arkitekto,
lawyer,
abogado for male, abogada for female,
fisherman,
mangingisda,
scientist,
siyentipiko.
I hope you like our topic for the day. You have a great day, champion.